So I was bagging these shoes. Do you guys remember? Do you remember when I did a video over my top 5 favorite sneaker releases for the month of January? I absolutely dogged these shoes. You don't remember? Watch the clip real quick.
Personally, me, I'm not gonna go for the sneaker at all. It's a cool sneaker. I do like it. There's just a couple things that there's 2 things that kind of like really turn me off from the sneaker, and I'll go straight into it right now. So if you can look right here, the toe box, the white toe box is clean. The black around it is clean too. When you look at the Wings logo, that neon yellow is just, I'm sorry, it's just disgusting to me. I don't like that.
I take back everything I said for these. Let's check it out. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nephrite. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the color of my shirt, and as you can tell from the title, you know that today I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review, and the sneaker that we are going to be taking a look at is the Air Jordan 1 Volt Gold. Now these, I'm not gonna hold you, I'm not gonna lie, I was really not looking forward to grabbing a pair of these when I first saw them, when they first released in January. However, these kind of grew on me for a little bit. Thanks to a good friend of mine, he actually went ahead and bought a pair, and I still wasn't feeling them until it came to his house, and then he actually put them on, and I was like, oh my goodness, these are a must. So Christian, if you're watching this, bro, appreciate you for actually putting me onto these, and I had to go over to the secondary market and buy these. So we're gonna take a look at them right now, but before we do, as you guys always know, I always have to start off by saying I appreciate you guys so much for the love and support that you guys show. We are on the race to 1,000 subscribers this year, and we're right now holding at like 930. You guys are killing it, seriously. I made a video over on the Electric Green yesterday video telling you guys about how thankful I am as well, so go check that out as well if you haven't done so already. And I'm thankful for you guys. I am extremely thankful for you guys, considering the fact when we first started, I was sitting at like 50 subscribers, and now we're about to get to a K. So I'll be forever thankful for you guys. In honor of me actually hitting 1,000 subscribers as well, I want to do a give back to the channel for you guys, so I am going to be doing a giveaway. More information will be on the way the closer we get to that goal, but just know I just appreciate you very much, so thank you so much. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at these sneakers. Before I go ahead and do it though, if you guys don't know, now you're about to know, I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I am reviewing, and I like to match them with matching headbands. So I'm gonna get my headband on, and then we're gonna take a dive and look at these right now. All right, I'm back. As you can tell, I got my headband on. We are taking a look, like I said, at an Air Jordan 1. So I do got my Air Jordan 1 headband. And without further ado, let me grab my knife right here, and let's actually cut into this box. Yeah, so like I said, honestly, I was not expecting to really grab these, but like you said, you know how it goes. You see things better in person, you're like, oh, I gotta go ahead and grab them. And so that's what I went ahead and did. I went ahead on the secondary market. I picked these up over on GOAT, and let me tell you, right now, I even checked prices a few minutes ago. These have not been moving like crazy. I think they've been going maybe about 20 bucks above retail. They're not bad right now. I would say if you can grab your hold on these, get them as fast as you can. I think personally these are gonna go up eventually down the line, but I mean, right now, they're sitting, I think I saw some prices, they were going for like 200, 220, not bad at all. So let me go ahead and get this box out of here. And then voila, we are greeted with the Air Jordan 1 box. Nothing fancy about this box, just your regular black with your red Nike right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and read you guys the size tag. Size tag does read Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Light Black Volt Gold, and I did get a 10.5. Let me go ahead and actually show you guys that as well. So there goes for the box. Now, like I said, nothing fancy. As far as sizing, when it goes to Air Jordan 1s, I go true to size. I recommend always going true to size. And if you want to go down at half size as well for like a snugger fit, you can. But I recommend always going true to size. If you're not, like, if you're a first time ever buying like Air Jordan 1s, true to size is the best way to go. So without further ado, let's go ahead and actually give you guys a better perspective. Let's go ahead and pop the lid off right there. And like I said, I've already seen this before because my friend had a pair, but still, getting sneakers is always so fun. So let's go ahead and actually, okay, tissue paper's a little bit ripped. You're greeted with your white tissue paper, and then as you go ahead, you pull this back, voila, boom, right there. Okay, I see you now. I see you. Nice little black laces right there. Let me go ahead and actually pull that the left one as well. So you're greeted with the right. I'm gonna go ahead and actually close this box up, and then we can get straight into the review of things. Let's get it. All right, so boom, here they go right there, the Air Jordan 1 Volt Gold, and these are crispy. These are crispy. I really do take back everything that I did say about these. I really do. I think it was just at the time, it was one of those things where it's you don't have them in hand, so you can't really tell how good they are. These are fire. I mean, I know they came out earlier, but like I said, if you can grab a hold of these, get them while you can. I'm serious. So which one do we want to go ahead and review first? Left, right, which is better for the cam? Which is better for the cam? Let's go with the right. I'm gonna go ahead and put the left one right here. And without further ado, let's dive into this. All right, so starting with the outsole, you do get your all black outsole right there, and I believe you do have your Nike logo right there. Cleansed, and then as you go ahead and you look at the midsole, you do have a white, actually I kind of say it's more like sail-ish kind of, which goes all the way around the sneaker. Then as you go up to the back of the heel, you have that Volt Gold right there. It looks absolutely nice and very, very soft to the touch. Then you do have your white side panel, and then you're hit with your black right here as well. Then you go up a little bit more, you got your black swoosh. Then as you go up kind of like to the sock liner, you have a nice kind of like, it's kind of foam. It's kind of like a foam material right there. Then when you look at your Wings logo, see, this at first was not what I liked, but now seeing in their hand, they're a lot better. When you look at your Wings logo, you do have like a neon type of strip that goes all the way around, and these do fold back as well. Check it out. These fold. These kind of remind me, I'm not gonna lie, if you remember last year, we did get the Air Jordan 1 biohacks, and these little flips right here, they did fold as well. Clean, clean, clean. Looking to the front of the shoe, you are hit with your nice white toe box right there, and you do get sail laces. It comes with 2 pair of laces like you guys saw. You get sail, and then you do get the black ones right there. And then I would say that probably the most interesting part about the sneaker is when you look at the tongue. The tongue is reversed. You do have like your tag right there, and then when you look up to the other side, you have your Nike Air in that neon green color. Fantastic. I'm not gonna lie, I do like these a lot now that I have them in hand. Like I said, if you can grab a pair of these, grab them while you can. These are absolutely, these are a sleeper. People are gonna regret not picking these up next year when the prices go, you know, when they crack your head for those prices. People are gonna regret sleeping. Let me go ahead and pull out the left pair right there. There go the extra black pair of laces right there. I'm gonna go ahead and swap those so you guys can get a better perspective. That way when you see the on feet, you can determine if you wanna go with the sail laces or the black laces. So again, really, really clean. Like I said, retail for these was $170. If you go over on GOAT or the secondary market, they're only going for like $200, $210 at the highest right now. So that's not bad. That is not bad considering the fact that we got other ones that are going for like 300 plus. I'm good on those. But here they go right here. Let me know what you think about the Air Jordan 1 Volt Gold. Do you like these? Was these like, did you do like me? Did you have to go back and pick them up later? I know I had to. There's still a lot more sneakers that I actually do need to go ahead and pick up, and these were one of them. These were one of them. So let me know down below how you feel about these Volt Golds right now. So guys, this is going to conclude today's video over the Air Jordan 1 Volt Gold. Comment down below and let me know how you feel about these. Will you add these to the collection? Will you be going ahead and going back and doing like what I did and pick them up? Or did you go back on your word and did you get them just like I did? Comment down below and let me know. Before I go ahead and break away to an on-feet review, I am going to give you guys a quick overview. So check that out. Here they go right here. And like I said, just these were a sneaker I really didn't think that I needed until I got in hand. I feel bad because like I know a lot of people are gonna pass on these if they haven't already, and then next year's gonna roll around and you know those prices are gonna skyrocket. So I'd say if you can get them right now, you can get them. Get them right now. I recommend it. Oh, another thing I forgot to implement as well and show you guys, if you look into the insole right there, you do have a neon Nike Air logo right there. So you do get that for your insole, which I think is pretty clean. So again, comment down below, let me know what you think about these. Also remember, this week is going to be the release of the Air Jordan 5 Oreos. I'm going to be bringing a whole mall vlog for that. I was able to go ahead and hit on a pair, so we have a whole separate video coming for that. So more videos will be on the way, and just be patient with me. I appreciate you guys so much for showing all the love and support. We're on the race to 1,000. We're gonna get there, and I just know, like, I'm just grateful for you guys. I'm just so grateful and happy for you guys. So until next time, remember, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you in this life. There's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. Not no one else, you. Until next time, guys, it has been your boy, it has been your kid, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.